A lot of times we're going to do a SAN because we have servers behind a round robin or something to that effect. So let's say I go get a SAN certificate and it's on 200 systems. I know where it's at. That's awesome, right? But sometimes you have load balancers, and that can make the whole world tricky. The manufacturing company, they had 2 full shifts that lost productivity over an outage. And what happened was their line system had certificates. And on this line system, they also had some load balancers that did stuff. So let's say if I have 5 servers and there's a load balancer up front, okay? All my traffic is coming through the load balancer. Load balancer decides where that traffic should go. Well, let's say I know about these 3 servers really well because they're on premise. And so I think I've solved it because I'm not going to go read through the list of 250 SANs. Why? Because I got things to do. So I fix these 3. Cool. I test it. It's working. Awesome. I go back to my office. So what happens is suddenly someone goes, "No, it's out." You're like, "No, I fixed it." Like, "No, it's out." So you check it. Guess what? It's working. So we've seen this scenario several times where someone has an outage. It's working. Now it's not working. Why? Well, you've got 5 systems. Load balancer is distributing the traffic, and you fixed 3. They could have avoided that by taking a look at the list of the SANs and then going and doing some work. But the truth of it is that's pretty complicated to hunt down because it's really, in any IT guy's world, intermittent is a really bad word because that's a pain in the butt to hunt down. And when you have a load balancer distributing traffic and you fixed all but one, you have a really strange problem that's fun to find.